Hello, Saint. Hello, YouTube. Okay, that was weird. This is your favorite noob with another Saints Row the Third YouTube video because the only game I really ever play is Saints Row the Third and Mods 3 because I like swearing at people for modding and shooting zombies in the face with a sniper rifle, then killing them with a giant purple dildo. And well, if you recall, like the 6 people that actually watch my videos, I one time made this video where I threw a woodpecker with no wings, and after playing with someone and stealing their VTOL, I acquired this VTOL with the no wings, and it can fly. It can fly straight very efficiently, and yeah, curves even though I like. Okay. No, let's not have it blow up. Yeah, as you can see, I have no control whatsoever of the VTOL. It's pretty much its own, master. So, I'm actually gonna let Jesus take the wheel and let the VTOL fly itself. By which I mean, I'm just gonna fly. Yep, and the fuck just happened? The fuck just happened? The fuck? Apparently walked into a random fight with the Saints and the Cops. Amazing.
That's all I needed. Saddle up, boys! Saddle up!
And have a great day.